My goal is to show you how you can harness the power of the sun, reduce your carbon footprint, and save you money all at the same time. A very real savings benefit. You've been paying your electric bill for years, and the bill continually goes up and up. Wow, what a pain it is to see that bill each and every month. Probably drives you crazy. And we don't have any control over the price we pay by the electric companies, what they charge us. They have us all over a barrel. Just have to keep paying the bill each and every month. We don't have much of a choice, do we? But you know what? I can show you how to lower your bill with solar energy. So don't put off the decision to look into this any longer. Now is the time. It's now cheaper than ever before, and guess what? The government pays for a large part of it. Yes, they really do. The government does. Hey, but I get it. It's still a big decision. You know what? Don't worry. When we talk, I'll be able to explain it all in a very simple way. By now, you may have received phone calls. You've seen ads on TV. You've heard about it on the radio. Heck, you've been talking to your neighbors, probably at barbecues and picnics, about all the solar panels that are going up on houses in the neighborhood. So you're wondering. But you know what? When it comes to solar, not everybody knows the differences. But with me and our experts, I promise you we're going to advise you on the very best setup with no hard pressure sales pitch, no sit-down presentations forcing you to make a decision. Explain it to you in a way that you can understand. Solar is your solution. Let's get rid of those high electric bills. With me and my experts, you're going to choose the very best. And you get the best bang for your buck, guaranteed.